the Greek Theater, Observatory, Griffith Park, it's all next to a residential area. Between all the lots, all the parking that we have, there's really only one way in and one way out.
This is one of the only routes up to the Griffith Observatory. So often we get tourists and concert goers coming together on one route up to this venue.
Us as part of the parking and the traffic, we always feel like we're the first experience and the last experience that a guest is gonna have.
Parking is so important, one of the most critical aspects to venue and concert management.
We try and get everybody in here, into the venue, into the park as safely and as fast as we can without any kind of hiccups.
In the past, if an event wasn't set up properly or devices wouldn't be working, it would take up to an hour to get things up and running.
One of the main issues we had here was the signal throughout the years. At one point, our parking passes were printed paper. A lot of them were fraudulent passes where people just resold them and they weren't really valid for the show. It also slowed down a lot of the transactions because we wouldn't be able to approve them or decline them right away, so we have to look into it. Then a manager would have to come out and either void it, clear it.
Since switching to our Prime devices, we now can jump on to whatever the strongest signal is, so we're not dropping signal, and us being able to solve an issue within minutes. Our customer satisfaction has been through the roof.
We do have lots here that are available to park prepaid day of. That's really like our pro to the parking and traffic issues.
Now that we're using JustPark, it's made it easier because all of our passes go through as long as they're loaded in the system. We have no issues. So all the credit card transactions became faster. The service became better. We don't have the issue that we used to have with the signal.
Anytime I need a resolution to something, if I'm asking the same questions over and over again about event builds or something doesn't look right, JustPark is always coming in a flash to be able to help me and support me. We're also seeing huge increases in revenue between now and 2 years ago when we weren't with JustPark. Overall, it's just a win-win for both the guests and the venue.
So it helps the traffic flow all around. It keeps the neighbors happy, the guests get in faster, and they get to enjoy what they're paying for.
And overall, our guests will keep coming back as long as our parking is squared away.